Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Ever since I posted the Antidote Woodsprite review, you guys started to give me suggestions on what parts should I finish that bike with. One of those suggestions was this, a Fox fork. Not any fork, but a 36. Now, even though I wrote this before, I never had the chance to really look at it in detail, so here it is. And for some reason, good luck and good racing, the words of Bob Fox, are no longer on the box. However, at this end, you're gonna find all the information about what's inside. This is a 2023 Fox 36 29er with Kashima coating, so factory. It's 150mm with Grip2 damper in shiny black, boost, and 44mm offset. Interestingly, this was built in April, even though it's a 2023, and like all the other Fox forks, this is made in Taiwan. Open the box and ta-da! Here's your Fox 36, and with it, you're gonna get this little bag of goodies. You get 1, 2, 3 volume spacers and a star nut, as well as the hose retaining clamp, all here in this little bag. You also get a couple of booklets, the Fox 36 tuning guide, and the owner's manual for it. This 2023 sees only one major change, and that is the crown and steerer overlap, I assume to prevent creaking. The steerer length is 9.5 inches or 24-ish centimeters, and the serial number of the fork is here at the back of the new crown. Same lower leg arch is back, as well as the bypass channels and the bleeders for the lower legs. Air Springs was redesigned in 2021 to add more negative volume. You get the same one here, highly tunable via that shredder valve, the pressure, and also volume spacers. You have the Kashima coating for factory forks, and here at the back of the leg you will see again those bypass channels for the oil, as well as the bleeders to equalize the pressure. Continuing down on that left leg, you're gonna find a post mount for your caliper. This takes 180mm discs at the minimum. That caliper hose is kept in place by this brake hose guide, and in this close-up you can see that redesigned arch introduced a few years back. That was the time when they added those two threaded holes in the back of the arch for the 36 and 38 fork fender. Fox is still offering this fork with 2 dampers. You can choose between FIT4 and this Grip2 damper. Grip2 with that variable valve control is what many riders would pick, and it provides you both high speed and low speed compression, 8 and respectively 16 clicks. At the bottom of the leg and protected by that cap, you have both high speed rebound with VVC 8 clicks and low speed rebound with 16 clicks of adjustment. All that makes for a highly tunable fork that you can start configuring based on this little sticker at the bottom of the right leg of the fork. And if you want to think about a downside of this Grip2, you don't really have a lockout for this damper. Fox 36 uses what's called the floating axle. This allows your lower legs to be perfectly parallel, so the fork movement is smooth with no binding induced by that. This is a design that's very popular for motorcycles. Interestingly, they provided this with a QR axle and not the Kabolt X that Fox also has available for this fork. Weight of the fork in this configuration, Grip2 damper, uncut steerer, is pretty much spec, 2190 grams. That would be 4.83 pounds, and that would be heavier than the same fork with the FIT4 damper that should be right around 2000 grams. And the Fox 36 with the FIT4 damper is the fork that I had the chance to ride. It's an amazing fork, it's plush, it's smooth. I would highly recommend it if you are riding hard, if you're doing any type of advanced trail enduro type of riding. Grip2 version will give you even more adjustability for your riding style, and it comes highly recommended by many riders out there. So that is everything about this Fox 36 factory fork that is going to be used with the Antidote. What other parts would you like to see on that bike build? Do you have any questions for me? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys found this useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, hope to see you folks on the trails. Cheers, guys. Cheers.